Founded in 2005, HeadStart has rapidly developed into one of the leading international schools in Phuket. It is our ongoing mission to build and support a dedicated team of professional educators who work together to provide a quality teaching and learning environment for Phuket's international and culturally diverse community. Our dynamic teaching staff is the driving force behind our engaging learning programs and outstanding academic results. Passion and excellence are at the heart of everything we do. HeadStart, inspiring a love of learning. Situated on 6 acres of beautiful Phuket landscape, our school campus is centrally located, allowing for convenient access from anywhere on the island. High standards of academic achievement and behaviour are set throughout the school. An atmosphere of kindness and respect is instilled both inside and outside the classroom. These attributes help students gain a positive outlook on life and a robust sense of self-confidence, which provides a strong foundation for their future. Both foundation and primary schools provide a stimulating and challenging educational experience in a secure and caring setting where children can learn, play and explore freely. The early years foundation stage curriculum is followed for students aged 2 to 4, and our primary school follows the Cambridge International curriculum and corresponding assessments. The curriculum is tailored to best meet the needs of the students, offering balanced and challenging learning opportunities. Our aim is to give children the very best possible start to their learning journey and inspire a love of learning. The Cambridge curriculum is also taught throughout our secondary school, with students studying for IGCSE exams at the age of 16, after which we offer a choice of A-levels or BTEC in 6th form. Subjects are taught by experienced specialists who ensure that lessons challenge students to achieve their personal best. A highly academically trained and professional team provides students with support and guidance to ensure a rigorous learning experience for all. Preparation for higher learning is provided by our U-Prep program, which offers students bespoke pathways to further their studies in top universities around the world. We believe that languages are an important part of a child's education and a critical aspect in the development of their character and personal identity. Our core curriculum includes a comprehensive language program and gives students the opportunity to study first language French, Mandarin, Russian, Thai, and several second language options. Provision of a number of extracurricular activities and sport academies enrich students' learning experiences at HeadStart. These include a wide range of sports, arts, music, dance, culture, clubs, as well as participating in internationally and locally recognized competitions. The school has a proud history of putting on exhilarating school productions for large audiences. Through studying the arts, our students are able to develop their own artistic flair, participate in creative and experiential activities, and most importantly, gain transferable skills for life. Discover how your children can embark on their HeadStart journey today. HeadStart, inspiring a love of learning.